Morning, everyone. Oh, afternoon, everyone. Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Good afternoon. It is a beautiful Saturday. So today I was going to do a little DIY thing. After helping my buddy change his tires yesterday, yeah, there's issues as to how much I can do today. So I was wanting to get an ultrasonic cleaner, but I don't like how expensive they are. Right? They're like anywhere from $200 to $300, but I have used them because in my past career before what I do now, I used to work on lab equipment, and we used to clean filters out with ultrasonic cleaners, and they worked awesome. They unplugged the filters and they were really good. So they make a good parts cleaner. So that being said, to get a big one, they're fairly expensive. So here's what I'm going to attempt. I'm going to attempt this. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Okay. I got my bin. I got my speaker. I'm going to attach the speaker to the bin, and then attach the speaker to the stereo source, and see if that works. I'm going to try to make a cheap DIY / redneck parts cleaner. Here we go. Okay, here's the deal with my redneck concoction. I messed up. Anyways, I was gonna glue it on, but then I decided, you know what, let's see if it even works. So I've just got it taped, total red green right now, right? So I got a Gorilla taped all together, so let's see. So here's the deal. All right, just got some water in it now. And this is connected to one channel of my amplifier. Okay, the left channel, so I got it set to the L side. Then that stereo is connected to my computer, and this is on the internet. This is just for testing. I gotta figure all this out if I'm gonna be soaking stuff for a long time, but here we go. Okay, and I gotta turn it up. I know it's going to sound terrible, but so I can just show the waves. Can you see the waves? There you go. This is going to work. There's only a 1 minute duration on this. So I might have to create my own file. I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to modify it a little more and fine tune it, but I think that might work. Anyways, that's my little DIY, holy crap, DIY attempt at a ultrasonic cleaner. I'm actually going to try to find something that'll last for a couple of hours, and I'm going to throw some old tools in there with some crud cutter, and let's see how it works. Okay, so I don't have any crud cutter, unfortunately. Of my leftover used seafoam that I used for the carburetor, so I'm going to reuse that again, and I got a couple rusty old tools in there, so hopefully I got enough to cover them, because this is a pretty big bin, man. Come on, please be enough. If not, I don't know what I'm going to have to top it up with. Oh, it's not that much, eh? Alright, well, let me turn it on and see if this is going to be enough. Actually, I'm going to top it up with a... Should I top it up with a bit of oil? I want to top it up with water. Maybe oil. Put a little bit of oil. Make my own concoction. Hey, okay, so I pulled those tools out of the seafoam, but they didn't turn out as good as I like, so I'm trying something different. I've put vinegar and water. Looking for an environmentally friendly solution if possible. But you see, because this isn't oil-based, it's water-based, the volume is actually lower, but you can actually see the ripples. And the acidic nature of the vinegar should eat away at the rust, so 4 o'clock, just after, I'll give it a couple hours and let's see where this goes. Come back and check on it in a couple hours. Actually, I might turn it down a bit. That's pretty, oh, that's awesome. I'm liking that. Okay guys, I'm going to go outside and check out, see how things are going out in the garage, okay? Alright, so here's my final setup. I pulled out an old receiver. Little dusty, that is awesome. I'll clean it up eventually. An old tablet there. So I can, alright, let's just do this. YouTube. 60 hertz. Turn it on. And set it to, again, it's going to be loud, guys, I'm sorry. Now the vinegar and water isn't doing squats, so I gotta get actual cleaner, but I added another speaker though. One on either side as well. So yeah, there you go. DIY sonic parts cleaner. Which is a prototype still, but you know, if you got some speakers kicking around, why not make use of them, right? Why spend $200-300 and help clean up your tools and stuff like that, right? Alright, have a great day everyone. Bye-bye.